using the preposition into versus into. Into, together written, is a preposition that shows the position of something within or inside, meaning, for example, a change, right? And this implies a movement in the direction of an enclosed environment, okay? So the container here can be physical or abstract. For examples, we have she goes into the classroom. Here, there is an action of going inside the classroom. Or another example, his arrogance has led him into another dimension. We're talking about a change here, right? Within the personality of somebody. While using into together written, we can also denote a change or transformation of some kind. For examples, the text is to be translated into English. Or the caterpillar turned into a butterfly and left its cocoon behind. In and to, on the other hand, are two unrelated words, an adverb in and a preposition to. Into is used based on the verb that comes before it and can have several meanings. To make sure we're using into, we have to be able to replace it with in order to, translate so as to or so that. For example, she goes in the classroom to learn, meaning she goes in the classroom in order to learn. Another example, I like to tune in to the radio, to the blues radio station on Saturday nights.